In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Mailerlite in German. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to switch your Mailerlite interface into German so you can work more comfortably and create content in your own language. First, make sure you're logged into your Mailerlite account. Once you're on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile name or profile icon. This is where most of your personal settings are stored. Click on your profile name and a small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose the option labeled My Profile. This will take you to your account's profile settings page. On the profile page, you'll see several sections related to your personal information and preferences. What we're interested in here is the language setting. Scroll down the page slowly until you find the section labeled Language. It may be grouped together with other general settings, so don't worry if you have to scroll a bit to find it. In the language section, you'll see a drop-down menu that lets you choose which language you want Mailerlite to use for the interface. Click on this drop-down, and a list of available languages will appear. From that list, select Deutsch, German. Make sure you actually see Deutsch selected before moving on, so you know the change has been applied correctly. After you've chosen German as your preferred language, you need to save your changes so they take effect. Look for the button labeled Save Changes on the page. It's usually located near the bottom of the settings section. Click on Save Changes and give the page a moment to update. In many cases, the interface will refresh automatically, and you'll start seeing menus, buttons, and labels in German. Once those changes are saved, your Mailerlite interface will now be in German. This means that when you navigate through the dashboard, create campaigns, set up automation, or manage subscribers, all the system text and menu options will be displayed in German. You can now create your email content, forms, and other elements while working in a German language environment, which makes it easier to stay consistent with your audience and avoid simple language mistakes as you work.